Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to make File Explorer open to this PC in Windows 11 operating system by the very simple way. First of all, just go to the File Explorer. At here, just click on this File Explorer icon, okay, in taskbar. And in File Explorer, just click on View. View at the top, click on View. Here we find Options. Click on the Options at here. Here we find Open File Explorer to Quick Access. Okay. Now change this to this PC. Here is the this PC icon. Apply it. Okay. Now close this File Explorer. Then just go to the here File Explorer. And here is our this PC icon or this PC shortcut. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.